Hello everyone, it's Mooncake here, coming at you with another Marvel Legends review. This time we get a look at Jigsaw. This is the Super Villains wave from Walgreens exclusive. So at the time of this recording, it was still available on Walgreens.com. So you can go order this if you want. I know when it first came out, it was sold out for a long time. So it's finally back in stock. Let's see if it's any good. Looks pretty good. It's Punisher villain, I believe. Yes. Open it up. I think Jigsaw was one of the main antagonists in the Netflix Punisher. Yeah, that Jigsaw was pretty cool. It's the comic version. Let's see. Oh, here it comes out. Here it is. Take a look. Focus. Look at that face. That's a pretty nasty hex scope. Looks cool, right? Suited body. Alright. Stand them up. Oh, it's pretty hard to stand. Oh, these joints frozen. Hold on. Okay. Okay, thank God. They're not frozen. I hate it when these suited body has frozen joints. Alright. It's hard ratchet though. It's not that great. Alright, so let's see what comes in the box. So basically is all the... Okay, so these are new. Well, not new, but like... This gun, this bat, and this knife basically comes with this guy. So same type of accessories. This Punisher, it's Rider series Punisher. Let's take it out. Take a look. It's better painted though. The Rider series one. This paint is pretty bad, pretty cheap. Like no paint at all. At least these are painted. Okay, that's nice. Painted daggers. They really need to tape this. I know we see these in other figures, but not sure which one. These fire shots, and then smoke effects. Oh, this one's small. So it comes with a good amount of accessories. Let's play that on the side. So here's the gun. Kind of a shotgun. Bat. Silver painted, not bad. This one also has like a silver paint. That's the two knives. Tiny two knives. Pretty cool. Two gun blast effects. Two smoke blast effects. I don't know why there's two. He only has one gun. I guess he... Oh, never mind. I am dumb. It's a double barrel shotgun. That's why there's two. Although this is not going in. Oh, this one's going in. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Although these blast effects are like kind of going against each other. Let's put the smoke effect in one, blast effect in the other. Okay, so the smoke effect is not going in. Why is that? Just like the same size. The smoke effect is having a hard time going in. Up, nope. Up, there we go. I just gotta mess around with it. That's pretty cool. I like this. Smoking gun effect. Ooh. That's nice. Okay. Gotta admit, that's nice. Alright, onto the figure. So here. Let's focus. Look at this head scope. Nice. Double ball joint. No, single ball joint and then a hinge at the neck. Never soles. 360 double. Has the pins though. That's not good. Double jointed but pinned. Wrist. All right. Good wrist. This is the better wrist articulation, up and down for gun holding. More natural. This one is also up and down. Great. It says 2 up and down. Only 1 trigger finger hand. I guess this for the knives. Whatever. Splits. Not great. Back and forth. Wow. Can't go back at all. Okay. Double jointed knees. Pins. Still have pins. That's cheap. Ugh. They have new technology and they don't use it. Not a fan of that. Alright. I'm holding this shotgun. Oh, why is this so difficult? There we go. No. Jeez, is it not made for his hand? Let me get that in there first. Jeez. There we go. That's harder than it has to be. And knife. Right, there it is. Let's take it out, check it out. There's a silver thing on his neck. It's a tie. Buttons are painted. Okay, so 4 buttons. Handkerchief. Then not a lick of paint. The face sculpt is nasty though. It's very nice. Yep. So if you want them, I will get them. I will get these Walgreens exclusive before they sell out again. Don't pay scalper prices. It's still available on Walgreens as of right now, which is August 22nd. Alright, is him next to Punisher. Cool, I recommend him. He's cool. Alright, see you guys later. Like and subscribe.